Welcome to a high-tech factory where iPhone back covers are transformed into premium designs. The process begins with top-quality raw materials, essential for perfect covers.
Every sheet, pigment, and sticker is carefully selected for durability and beauty.
Advanced lasers cut each cover with precision, ensuring perfect fit and edges.
Precision is key. Every detail is carefully engineered.
Robots apply vibrant colors and flawless finishes to every cover.
Gradient and metallic finishes create a premium, eye-catching look.
Each cover rotates to ensure even application and shine.
Expert hands layer intricate stickers for unique designs.
Precision placement ensures flawless aesthetic results.
UV curing locks paints and stickers for durability and shine. The automated line ensures consistent quality for every cover.
Every cover passes rigorous inspection for perfection. Edges, textures, and colors are carefully verified for premium quality.
Covers are carefully packed, ready to reach millions of customers worldwide.
Each box ensures safe delivery of premium designs.
From raw materials to finished art, each cover is a masterpiece.
Every iPhone model has its unique, customized design.
Even SE series gets premium treatment with stunning finishes. Every angle is polished to perfection for a flawless feel. Macro details reveal the craftsmanship behind each design. Skilled teams ensure every cover meets premium standards.
Automation and organization streamline production for efficiency and quality.
Each design element adds style and personality to the cover.
Premium paints give covers a luxurious and durable finish.
Robotics handle precise tasks for consistent, flawless results.
Organization and technology ensure millions of covers can be produced efficiently.
Final approval guarantees premium quality for every customer. Packaged carefully, ready to deliver millions of premium covers worldwide. Every cover combines design, color, and durability for the perfect finish.
Unique designs make every iPhone truly stand out. From start to finish, precision and craftsmanship are at the heart of production.
Dedicated teams ensure every product exceeds expectations.
From raw materials to finished masterpieces, this is the journey of premium iPhone back covers.
Innovation, style, and quality delivered in every cover.